camping, the great escape from our digital world, a way to reconnect with nature. But it's not without its challenges, and safety should be at the forefront of every camper's mind. When it comes to cooking in the wilderness, the mesmerizing dance of campfire flames might tempt us, but it's wiser to use a camping stove. Not only does it give you better control over your cooking, but it's also much safer, minimizing the risk of an unintended wildfire. And don't even get me started on the importance of storing your food securely. It's not just about keeping it away from ants or smaller critters. Larger animals, especially bears, have a nose that can detect your evening's BBQ from miles away. Now, after a long day of adventures, when you're ready to turn in for the night, choosing the right spot for your tent is paramount. Look around. Does the area look like it might collect rainwater? Are there any signs of animal activity? Once you've picked the perfect spot, set up your tent and make sure it's well ventilated. Believe me, waking up in a damp tent isn't the best start to a day. Lastly, before you close your eyes and drift off, listening to the soothing sounds of nature, double-check that campfire. Even a few lingering embers can pose a risk. Ensure it's out completely. Remember, camping is about enjoying nature responsibly. Prioritize safety, and the beautiful outdoors will reward you with memories to cherish. Sleep tight, adventurer.